in any case. They are taking their share. A little one, but they have their share. But the son's daughter, means the granddaughter, she takes half of the property if she is alone. If they are two or more, so they are taking 2/3 of the properties like the shares of the real daughters. If one of them is with the one daughter of the deceased, so then she takes 1/6 of the property after the half of the daughter. If these granddaughters are more than one, so then they will share that 1/6. And if there are two sisters or there are two daughters of the deceased or son of the deceased, so then the granddaughter, they do not take anything. But if there are two daughters but no sons, and there was a granddaughters and grandson, so then the two daughters, they will take 2/3 of the property and 1/3 will go to the grandson and granddaughter as 2-1, because they will become a residue. And then we mentioned the half sister. So half sister is just like granddaughter with daughter. So half sister is just like granddaughter with her real sister, with the real sister. So if the deceased has one real sister and one half sister from father's side, so the real sister will take half of the property and 1/6 the half sister will take. If the real sisters are two or more, so they will take 2/3 of the property and the half sister that is deprived, she cannot take anything. But if she has her brother with, so then the remaining will come to them as residue. They both will share it as a 2-1. So now the next one, which is number 5, that is the mother. So she takes 1/3 of the property if the deceased does not have any offspring, nor he has more than one brother or sister of all the 3 categories. Because brother and sisters are of 3 categories: real brothers and sisters, half brothers and sisters from father's side, half brother and sisters from mother's side. So whatever the case may be, if there are more than one brother or sister of any type, got it? Yes. So then the mother, she cannot take 1/3. Her share will become 1/6 of the property. That is hajbun nuqsan. Same is the case if the deceased has a son or daughter or grandson or granddaughter. So again, the mother of the deceased will take 1/6 of the property and not 1/3. Now here is a very strange case, and that is that sometimes the brothers and sisters themselves, they are not taking anything. They are eliminated totally. But in their presence, the mother will go from 1/3 to 1/6. Even though they themselves, they did not take anything, but they harmed the mother. They harmed the mother of the deceased, that she went from 1/3 to the 1/6. So these cases will be like this. Bismillah. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. So Zayd passed away and he left his mother and his father. So here, look in this case, the deceased who is Zayd, he does not have neither a son, nor a daughter, nor a granddaughter or grandson, nor more than one brother or one sister. He does not have it. So when he does not have it, this is the first case that the mother is taking 1/3. And the father is automatically his residue. So one will go to the mother, and the remaining 2 parts the father will take. But mother is taking this one as a sharer, and the father is taking as the residue. Now, the other case is that this is mother. And this is brother. And this is a brother. So now in this case, more than one brother. So the mother's share went from 1/3 to 1/6. So here, she will take 1, and the remaining 5, it will go to the 2 brothers. But as the fractions are coming, so that's why we will multiply it with these 2. So the property would be made 12 portions. 2 will go to the mother, which is 1/6 of the property, and the remaining will go to the 2 brothers. Now the next case is, as we mentioned, that sometimes the brother do not take anything, but they harm the mother. Like here in this case, this is the mother, this is the father, this is the brother, and this is the brother. Got it? So here in this case, mother, we mentioned that when the deceased has more than one brother, so then the mother's share will not be 1/3, it will be 1/6. But now they brought down mother from 1/3 to 1/6, but they themselves, they are not taking anything. Why? Because the father is there. Father is prior to the brothers. So that's why now the case will be like this. And they both eliminated. Got it? So that is the case. وصلى الله تعالى على خير خلقه محمد وآله وأصحابه أجمعين. Sheikh Muhammad.